So who do you know picking up 850 pumpkins? I'm out in Moorpark at Underwood Family Farms, as you saw, and we're about to pick up 850 pumpkins. And let me tell you, my friends, that crate right there, that's only 150. We're getting another load in. That's number 2. We've still got a long ways to go to 850. That's our another bin. And we've got 2 SUVs to fill up, so we got to get rocking and rolling like this guy's doing right now. Uh-oh. That's number 3 bin. And it only keeps coming. It is getting a little packed in here. 1 car is almost done. Here's the second car. Seats are down. And no, I can't see out the back. Uh-oh. Another delivery. That is 4 boxes full. Okay, we've loaded up, and now we get to have a little tour of Underwood Family Farms because they got plenty of things for you and the kids to check out. Lots of petting zoos. You can see the goats up there. They're jumping all over the place with this really cool little setup for them. And guys, let me know if you know what year that truck is. I don't even know what model it was, but it's pretty cool. We got little baby ducklings here too for the kids to come check out and play. Yes, we've got EMUS at Underwood Family Farms as well. Come check it out. There's so much to check out here. So much for the kids to get into. Little trains to jump all over. We've got petting farms with the sheep and their little goat friends as well. We've got a big old combine, and this is actually turned into a slide, so the kids are getting up there and sliding down. We got a little pond for our geese friends as well. You can be the king of your domain with the hay pack style castle of a mountain, and we got rides going throughout the park. Plus, there are tons of opportunities to take advantage of the farmer's market and grab all kinds of things. You can make a scarecrow. You can paint pumpkins as well. And let me tell you, during the week is the time to go, my friends. During the weekend, it is absolutely insane. This whole area is completely jammed. I've been there. And this is a cool little pumpkin house, which then leads the way to our little rides through the farm and seeing where everything is grown. It's pretty awesome here. And these are the pumpkins that I'm actually using, my little sugar baby pumpkins. Super stoked. Got 850. We're heading home pretty soon. And yeah, we don't need any more pumpkins in my car because I can't fit anymore. Pig races, who knew? And you got to guess the weight of this Atlantic giant pumpkin. Make sure you guys are following. And let me know what you want to see next, because I'm super stoked to find some cool things. We've even got Farmer Craig's chicken. They're singing up a storm for you guys as well.